We'll guide you through how to sync audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Go to the media pool where your video and audio files are located. You'll want to make sure both your video and separate audio files are imported here. Once everything is in the media pool, select the video and audio clips you want to sync by holding down the Command key on your keyboard if you're using a Mac, or the Control key if you're using a Windows PC, and clicking on each file. After selecting your files, right-click on one of the highlighted clips. In the context menu that appears, choose the option that says Auto Sync Audio. You'll see a few methods available, such as based on waveform or based on timecode. If your clips have matching timecode, you can use the based on timecode option for a quick sync. However, most users will find based on waveform to be the most effective if your clips don't have timecode. This method analyzes the audio waveforms in both the video and audio files, aligning them for you. Once you've selected your preferred syncing method, DaVinci Resolve will automatically sync the audio to the video clip. You can check the synced audio by dragging your newly synced video clip into the timeline. Hit play and listen to ensure everything lines up perfectly. This is a great way to ensure that your footage and audio match up without having to manually adjust and listen repeatedly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.